Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Builder Nation. For today's agenda, we have Reda Attahri, co-founder at ContekPro, the company building the future of food service. So welcome, Reda. Super happy to have you here. Super excited that you're in Mexico right now.
Hi, Lisa. Yeah, thanks a lot for the invitation. And I'm also very glad and excited to have this little interview with you to share a little bit my experience concerning the food service. So happy to chat with you today.
And one of the first questions I wanted to ask you, maybe would you mind sharing a little bit about how do you started the company and what led you to do it?
Yeah, sure. So actually, the story of ContekPro is the story of a family startup, which is quite unusual. I'm saying family startup because the other co-founder of ContekPro is actually my brother, Yassine. He founded the company late 2016, if I remember well, in Oakland, California. And at that time, the company was a vertical agnostic modular building manufacturer, which means that the company was manufacturing anything that was modular and prefabricated. I'm referring to offices, sanitary buildings, kitchens, healthcare buildings, etc. Then I joined the company in April 2019 as a co-founder in charge of the business development and marketing side, while Yassine is more in charge of the operations, manufacturing and production. At this moment, we made two decisions. The first one was to focus on one vertical and one product, and it's going to be kitchens, because we noticed a lot of demand for it from our customers. And because there was a real problem with kitchens. Kitchens are the most complicated commercial building to build in the industry. There were a lot of pain points for our customers. And the second decision we've made with Yassine was to transition from construction projects approach to a products approach. What do we mean by this is that instead of working on projects, we'll turn it into a standardized product with predefined features, predefined technical specs, a predefined sales process, and a predefined delivery process. We want food service providers, ghost kitchen providers, restaurants, catering companies to be able to buy a modular turnkey kitchen like they buy a piece of equipment. So everything is standardized and they can buy it in a very simple way. So right now, the value proposition we offer them is that we tell them, instead of building a brick and mortar kitchen, what about you go for a prefabricated modular kitchen?
And I wanted to ask you, I know that you guys just created a partnership with Picnic Works this month, so congratulations on that. Would you mind sharing a little bit about it?
I'd be very happy to tell you about this partnership with PIC. I must confess that it's one of the most exciting things we have done this year, and we're so looking forward to launching our products with them next year. We have a lot of similarities with this company. The first is that we are both two Pacific Northwest companies, so they're based in Seattle while we're based in Portland. So we're very close to each other. And the second similarity is that our visions are totally aligned. We both aim to leverage manufacturing and technology to build the future of food service. So how did the conversation start with them? We realized actually that we share the same customer segments, and these customers, they face the same pain points. So what are these pain points? Indeed, we think that we've entered a new post-pandemic world where we face and we deal with labor shortage, both in food service and in construction. What are the consequences? The consequences for food service providers is that opening and running a pizza restaurant today have become very expensive and takes a lot of time. So we've decided to create this partnership where ContekPro is providing the modular kitchen, prefabricated and turnkey, and Picnic is providing their extraordinary and amazing automated pizza make line. And this partnership aims to create and develop the first modular automated pizza kitchen. Here again, what are the benefits for food service providers? The first benefit is a financial and cost one. So we are able today to lower the startup cost to launch a pizza kitchen or pizza restaurant, up to 20% cheaper than building a pizza kitchen. The second one is that we're also able, thanks to this partnership, to reduce the operating costs. And number three, in terms of time, as I told you earlier, we're able to reduce your speed to market and help you deploy a pizza kitchen 50% faster than if you build. And additionally, their product is amazing because you're able to produce up to 100 pizzas per hour, which is quite incredible. And finally, we share with the Picnic eco-friendly and sustainability values. As I told you, our building is eco-friendly because we're able to reduce construction waste, and on their end, their Picnic pizza automated make line is able to reduce food waste. So the planet wins eventually. What are the consequences for you as a ghost kitchen provider, a sports or event venue, or a QSR? You're able to be up and running in a record time, a new pizza kitchen, and at the same time you save money from day one.
I can tell you how excited I am for this partnership, especially because I got to interview their CEO. So I think that having this opportunity is going to be great for both companies. And I wanted to ask you, like, especially you, what do you think this kind of announcement means for your company?
So I can already tell you what it means, because we've noticed a lot of traction and interest for this partnership. And what it exactly means for us is that so far our company has been in the markets of traditional kitchens with traditional cooking, refrigeration equipment. But right now, it means that our company is stepping in the world of automated kitchens. I'm not going to spoil you today, but we already have some other discussions with some other automated kitchen providers. So we really believe in this market, and we believe that the future is going to be both modular and at the same time automated. So right now, what we're working on with Picnic is that we're right now designing a whole new product line where you'll have different layouts depending on your location, depending on your size, depending on your the volume of service you desire. And we're planning to launch this with them in Q1 2023, along with several new models we're preparing right now.
Wow, that's really soon. And that was actually my next question. I wanted to ask you, like, what's next for ContekPro? You just said it. I think there are a lot of things coming, which is really exciting. And okay, now that we have talked about the next steps, can you share what progress has been made to date since you started the company?
Absolutely. Let's start first with the product itself. We've managed to launch several new layouts and models so far, focusing on hospitality businesses and focusing on quick service restaurants. So we've managed to work with a lot of reputable and large customers throughout the US. So right now we have manufactured over 150 modular units, kitchens, bars, walk-in coolers, walk-in freezers, all combined, and they've been all deployed throughout something like 20 or 25 states in the US. Additionally, we have units deployed in the Caribbean, Bahamas, US Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, and even in Africa through some military contractors. So our company has been really fast growing, and the decisions we have made 3 or 4 years ago are bringing their fruits and are paying. Additionally, still in terms of products, we're launching in California, and we're starting with California for the first time, end-to-end building service, which means that right now not only we'll be able to provide the kitchen itself, but will also take care of the installation of our units. So this goes in the direction of the hassle-free customer service we're aiming to launch. Additionally, what we're doing right now is that we're hiring a lot of people. So in case you're passionate about food, manufacturing, construction, if you're looking for an exciting adventure where we aim to revolutionize the way commercial kitchens are built, don't hesitate to contact us. We'd be more than excited to talk with you.
And last but not least, do you have any advice for future entrepreneurs or future engineers who are listening to us?
Yeah, absolutely. So the main tip and advice I would give is be focused and keep it simple. That's the main thing I would say. So in case you're launching either a hardware or a software, focus on a specific a niche market. That's exactly what we've done. So we can be considered as a modular construction manufacturer. So instead of dealing with multiple customer segments, we have decided to focus and to be the best and to be the leader on one specific market. It's going to be kitchens. So do the same in case you start a business, and keep it simple by starting with a simple product that deals and addresses some simple and specific pain points. We've done it, it's working, so I think it can work in other
So make sure to
industries.
follow it, guys. Well, thank you so much, Reda, and for being here, for sharing your tips, for sharing your advices. Where can we find you? Where can people follow you or ContekPro?
Well, you can reach out to us directly on our websites, and we're also available and easy to reach on both LinkedIn and Instagram. So these are the main channels we're active on.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And remember, guys, that you can also find more information, interesting articles, interesting interviews, just like this one, directly on our website, ControlHub.com/builder-nation. We would love to hear from you. And once again, Reda, thank you so much for being here, for taking the time. It was great to hear from you.
Thanks a lot, Elisa. It was a pleasure.